Open the upper cover on the back of the machine. Slide the paper guides to match the width of the envelope. Put one envelope with the printing surface face up in the manual feed slot. Adjust the manual feed slot paper guides. Push the envelope until its front edge touches the paper feed rollers. When the machine starts pulling the envelope in, release the envelope. If you're having trouble loading the envelope, press and hold the release lever towards the back of the machine and gently push the envelope down. Pull out the paper support until it locks into place. From an application such as Microsoft Word, click the File menu and then select Print. Please note, the available menu options may differ depending on your application. Click Print Options and then click Properties. Please note the available options may differ depending on your application. Select your media type and envelope size. Click Print.